Alright, here we are today, Thursday, and pulled up and they have started the plumbing rough in. They're working on the sewer thing right now, the septic drains, putting the main in over in our bedroom. They are establishing grade with these metal stakes that they got in everywhere. That'll be the floor grade.
42.5 and then 4, 6.5.
And then they are laying out the mains for our Jack and Jill bathroom, our bathroom, and that. But they've got everything to put it in for the everything that's going to go under the pad. So it is happening. So staying out of their hair, they are getting it laid out.
And then is it 11 3/4 off that side?
Laying out all their marks where stuff's going to come up, for where the walls are going to come up, so that they hit where the toilet drains are going to be, and the drains for the washer and dryer, and the tubs. So that's what they're doing now, is putting everything in for that. So it is going good.
You got it? Yep. Alrighty. Now what's my back hazard?
Nothing else over here on this side. On the water, they haven't ran it up here. No change on that. We did call the supervisor, Ed, to make sure that everything was good. So someone has been out here. They have graded and pushed up dirt next to the concrete a little bit. So I think that might be all they're going to do with their rough grade on the since they poured. They might do a final rough grade, but I think this is probably about it. They've kind of just pushed a little bit of dirt up, but that's probably their definition of rough grading, which is fine, no biggie. It looks better. If that's the way it stays, that's fine. We can work with that. No big deal.
So we'd be 14
And we'll stay out of these guys' way there.
and 3/4. Yep.
Pretty important what they're doing right now to make sure everything's where it needs to be.
I just had to do
That's
that
it.
because